I'm about to teach you how to make a simple but really delicious Thai-style fried rice. The linchpin flavors in this are the prawns. You want that beautiful sweetness that comes from the prawns, and then herbaceousness. So you can gather any herbs you want that are Asian style. You can have mint, coriander, Thai basil. What I've got here is curry, some luxor leaf, and also some Thai basil. But you can use any combination, but obviously not hard herbs because they're definitely not Asian. So to start off with, we're going to cut some shallots or red onion. I've just got red onion. So we've got 2, and I'm just going to dice this to about 5 millimeters. And then 4 cloves of garlic, just gonna crush those. And then the herbs. So I'm gonna chop up this coriander, stalks and all. If you really like the intensity, you can chop up the root as well. I like the crunchiness of the stalks. And then I'm just going to pick these luxor leaves off the stems. So I'm just gonna chop these. And now the makrut lime leaves, you just want to remove that center vein because it's too fibrous. And then pile those leafy parts together and then just chiffonade or slice them as finely as your knife skills allow. And then next I have Thai basil. So I'm just going to pick the leaves off those and then just slice that finely or chop, whatever you wish. And then I'm going to slice 1 long red chilli. Again, however hot you want it, go for it. And if you don't have any fresh, you can use dried chili flakes as well. And then next, the prawns. So I'm just going to slice these into 1 centimeter pieces. And then of course, I have the main guy, the rice. I've got here SunRice Jasmine Rice that I've cooked and chilled overnight. Very, very important for fried rice. What I love about this recipe is that there's literally 4 things you have to add to the pan. Because if you cut everything in the order and put them into the designated piles, 4 things into the pan. First of all, we just want those aromatics to go a little bit golden. So the red onion, garlic, and the chili goes in with a fair bit of olive oil. So we're just going to stir fry that until the edges are a little bit golden and the onions are soft. Next goes in the prawns, and we just want to stir fry those until the prawns are just cooked through. Probably a little bit under, in fact, because by the time we add the herbs and the rice, it'll be perfect. And then your pre-chilled rice. So I've got beautiful SunRice Jasmine here that I cooked last night and popped in the fridge. And what this does is keeps the rice grains beautifully separated. This is the thing that most people complain about when they're cooking fried rice. So this is what keeps those beautiful rice structures intact. Stir through the herbs so that they stay nice and vibrant. And then we add the seasonings. So we have fish sauce, soy sauce, and then a pinch of sugar at the end just to balance the flavors. And that's it. All right, let's serve it up. All right, let's have a taste. That is absolutely delicious. There's beautifully separated grains of SunRice Jasmine rice, sweetness of the prawns that are just popping in your mouth because they're perfectly cooked, a little bit of heat from that chili, and then we've got that beautiful citrus element to the makrut lime leaves, punchy luxor leaf or Vietnamese mint as it's otherwise known, coriander, and then the gorgeous perfume from the Thai basil leaves. This is an absolute winner and so easy and quick to make. You must try it.